Hi guys, thank you so much for the response that you all gave us last week for what is a relationship video. This week as well we have a public interaction, but this time the question is a bit serious, and well, it's actually a serious one because the question is the caste reservation system actually needed in colleges? Because I'm really finding it tough, you know. So yeah, I'm going to ask a lot of people these questions and let's see what their reaction is. Check it out. Okay, tell me, what do you feel about the caste reservation system in colleges? And
it's just affecting a lot of people adversely, and there has to be something that needs to be done regarding it.
I think being a medical student, we have hardly any open seats and especially the marks-wise system that we get is terrible. We have like one seat for one branch in one college in Maharashtra. So I think what needs to be changed is more than the caste system. I think economic system should be implemented.
Okay, so even you support that the caste reservation system should be dropped at the moment?
I think most people in the open category do.
Okay, it's totally bullshit because everyone needs a proper chance, because it's not just that कि caste wise ऐसा होना चाहिए कि caste वाले आगे जाए and बाकी के सब पीछे रह जाए. Like caste वाले are like those who get lesser marks. I'm not discriminating, but then most of them are like हाँ हमें क्या है कि हमें कम marks मिले तो भी हम लोग caste वाले हम लोग आगे जा सकते हैं.
So basically it should be completely on merit.
Yeah.
Maybe
who deserve
offer some economical concessions for the people who cannot really afford the education.
In 10th standard, I got average percentage like 70%.
Yeah.
And my friend was a SC. He got like 55%. Still, we thought that we'll get a good college. We'll go in the same college.
Yeah.
But after a particular time, he got the best college, like one of the best college.
Which one was it?
It was like Mithibai. He got Mithibai.
Okay.
Yeah. And I got MMK college.
Okay. That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Only merit you say?
Yeah, only merit. No caste reservation, no reservation, nothing.
नाही आहे, कारण का ते इक्वल नाही होत ना. म्हणजे ओबीसीमध्ये किंवा ST NT काही असू देत, जर कमी मार्क्स असले तर त्यांना पहिला प्रेफरन्स असतो, पण मग ओपनवाल्यांचा प्रॉब्लेम होतो, ॲडमिशनचे प्रॉब्लेम्स होतात, फीज प्रत्येक बाबतीतच, जॉब सगळ्याच बाबतीत प्रॉब्लेम होतो, त्यामुळे ते नाही आहे.
नाहीच आहे, कारण तेच ही बोलली तसं की खूप प्रॉब्लेम होतो. जे खरंच डिझर्व करतात त्यांना मग मागे व्हायला होतं, आणि जे तेवढं डिझर्व नाही करत त्यांना फर्स्ट सीट मिळते. मग आय थिंक हे काढायला पाहिजे कुठेतरी आणि सगळ्यांना इक्वल चान्स मिळायला पाहिजे.
सो बेसिकली मेरिटवर जेवढे पण तुम्ही मार्क काढताय त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला पर्सेंटेज असतं पाहिजे. दॅट इज वॉट युअर. जर तुम्ही स्वतः OBC SC असता तर तुम्ही असं बोलला असतात का?
आहेच आम्ही स्वतः फ्रेंड्सचं बघतो ना, म्हणून मग आम्हाला ते नाही आवडत ॲक्च्युली.
सो तू कास्ट सिस्टम अवॉइड केलेस तुझ्या ह्याला कॉलेजमध्ये? ओके, थँक्यू सो मच.
Not actually, because like it basically you're supposed to see the potential of the student and not basically like if a person is, for example, mostly Sindhi quotas and all are there. Why is it so that there are Sindhi quotas so much in which, you know, people can without studying usually like they get in very easily, whereas other caste people they have to slog their asses off and, you know, get into that.
But I think there's only there's no provision for open students. You have a provision for Sindhi students, minority, OBCs. So how can you say that other caste, like are you just saying that only the Sindhis are, you know, taking all the...
No, not really. Like there are other quotas as well, but usually like what you'll hear is Sindhi quota. It's a very, you know, it's like anywhere you go, you meet a Sindhi guy, like, yeah, I'll get in easily, I got a Sindhi quota. Which is supposed to be unfair, right? Because I know you're born Sindhi, but doesn't mean that basically you don't study and all.
So you support more of, getting into a particular college or institute with your merit rather than your caste or religion.
Obviously.
So you saw a lot of people, you know, the reactions that they gave, it was really positive. All the teenagers, you know, people actually belonging to the reserved caste said that they don't want the reservation, you know, because everything should be based on merit. So I'm really happy about it that everyone does not want all of this, you know, the system should be dropped, everything should be on merit. So let's hope that the government makes it, you know, completely unbiased for all of us, कि ये minority ना हो, ये ना हो, वो ना हो. So let's just
अरे क्या बोलूं मैं? हाँ, इधर मेरे को चिड़चिड़ हो रही है. सब लोग बोलेंगे कास्ट सिस्टम ड्रॉप करो, फिर भी गवर्नमेंट बोलती है हमें नहीं करना. कैसी बातें करता है मजनू? हाँ, भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शोहरत है, इज्जत है, फिर भी कास्ट सिस्टम से अंदर जाएंगे. हाँ, क्या है ये? सोचो, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, फिर देखो आगे क्या होता है। हैशटैग यूज करो, वी डोंट वांट कास्ट सिस्टम, हैशटैग कलम अली भाई, समझा? चल जा अभी, सब्सक्राइब करना भूलना मत, चल।
ए रुको ना, एक सेकंड हिल मत।
ऐसे सगळे चॅनल निघाले तर
ईशान आगे पीछे बिल्कुल मत हो रहा है, एक जगह रहना, पीछे रहना, पीछे हट।
सांगुल्या पणाला